Greetings and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm preparing cactus for a wash day. This regimen came from my Caribbean elders in Dominica, and I learned that cactus is good to grow your hair, strengthen your hair, curl your hair, and some even say it will turn your hair red. I don't know how true that is because my hair is naturally sandy red from birth. I get my cactus from the farmer's market. It is the thin, soft kind, and you pull the prickles out, the thorns out, and grate it very fine on the smallest side of the grater. For this wash, I am also using the prickly pear, which is the fruit of the cactus. It also has gel inside, but it's a little more watery than the cactus. You can cut or grate off the top, and actually you could just squeeze the fruit out. I pour water on the grater to get the excess cactus off, and also I want to mix that cactus with the water so I can strain it. And today I am using an old stocking sock to strain it. The amount of water you add in your cactus determines how thin or thick your wash will be. As you see, I like my wash to be very thick and jelly so it can weigh my hair down and create a nice curl pattern. Cactus will clump your curls and make your hair very soft. It's great for doing wash and goes. Also, freeform locks. Today I'm just using the cactus for its nutrients and benefits, and I am stretching my hair. Here are my results, and this footage was December of 2020. I thank you all for watching, and be blessed.